Hello, it's another day, another beautiful sunny day. Yes. All right. So today we're gonna talk about real estate. How can a realtor build their own mobile app, or a real estate brokerage can be able to build their own app to help with their real estate agents training and keeping up to date, access to information and things like that. Usually, as a brokerage, you're growing fast. You're having agents, you're having different people asking for information, and you can always like send them to your website. You can be able to send them all over the place to be able to get information. Why have your own app, right? So they can be able to access information quickly, access your agents quickly, and be able also to see what you bring, like your value to the real estate market. You can be able to put, let's say you have preferred vendors. You have vendors who work with you, plumbers, inspectors that you recommend and be able to get business from. You can be able to incorporate quick chats, right? If you wanted to talk to someone quickly, they don't have to message you on your cell. They can message through the app and you can get the message. Stuff like those will be able to help you be streamlined and be able to grow your business. Let's say you have some trainings that you want to offer your agents, or as a realtor, you have some videos you want to show to your buyers or sellers or people who are looking to be able to have representation for real estate. You can be able to have these videos on your app. People can watch them, link it with your YouTube. Still, you get your views and things like that. You can be able to guide them on the buying process through the videos. You can be able to have quick access to listings. Let's say you have some pocket listings that you want to show to specific investors. You can have an investor you can have an investor screen or section where only investors can be able to access, right? Regular folks who come and buy, they don't get access to that. You can have a specific section only for investors. So our solution is have a mobile app to be able to encom- comprehensively have all these places in one platform that people can be able to access. Either it doesn't matter if you're investors, your agents, or new buyers, or repeat buyers, or sellers, or repeat sellers, right? They can always go to the app and get that information. All right. Another piece of it is when you have blogs. Same thing with the videos. When you have blogs and able to share with people, yes, you can have it on your website, but not everyone will be able to go and look it on your website. If you have it on your app, you have an app, people can go there and they're like, oh, this is great information that they can be able to see and be able to share, right? So that's the biggest thing. You can able to use push notifications for market updates. You can be able to have drip notifications for market updates. You can have drip content for market updates. Like there are so much things you can be able to do within a mobile app, and definitely our platform, DIYapps.ca platform, they can be able to bring your business to the next level, bring you as a realtor or a real estate brokerage to the next level. Because information is gold, data is gold now. Okay. All right, so just now, just a quick few minutes, just showing, letting you know how a mobile app can be able to help you as a realtor or a brokerage to be able to level up and grow your business and help and be a more value to the market. Okay, so first things first, as usual, you go to DIYapps.ca, their platform, and then you click on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, you get information. Definitely, we are looking for real estate. There should be a real estate template that you can be able to start from. You have different kind of nice templates that are already pre done. I like this one, nicely look. So as we have talked about, right, you can promote your business and your deals. You can be able to have your training schedule. Let's say you have a photography or a photographer will be able to do events for you. You can have training videos, as we talked about. We have training checking, so we have people who can be able to you can be able to get your agents or people to do their trainings through the app. The vendor catalog. So this is what we're talking about. So if you have trusted vendors, people you work with. You can be able to promote them and be able to also grow their business as your partner. For listings, so when you have listings, you can do pocket listings, listings that only you can be able to show to private investors or private buyers that you have, or you can also have it like a public view. Um, for your contents, as we talked about, you can be able to do articles, you can be able to do videos, YouTube channels, have it exclusive, have it even in-app access purchasing, right? Your agents, we talked about your agents. You can do an in-app chat. People can be able to talk to your agents through the app. Yeah, so that's pretty much the highlight. So once you have done that, you click on start with this template. So you put the name, select the industry, which will be real estate, right? Put your first name, last name, put your website, put your email, password, agree to the terms, and just click on get started, and you're off to the races. So once you click on that, it will take you to this page. So some of you might be tech savvy, some of you might not be tech savvy, but this platform is built for anyone. Just take your time to see where things are, and you'll find out everything is pretty much the same. To start off with, we have our dashboard, where you have a quick tutorial video how to get started. You have your plugins, your tutorials, the platform itself, if you want to know how things are sorted. Um, we have learn more, so it's here and also it's here. If you want to go back to the website, you click on that. Learn more, this takes you to our knowledge base, where you can be able to search anything that you are looking for, and be able to get information. It's really, really a lot of information here. Um, like any app you want to build, it will be able to guide you step by step, right? All right. So, and the other thing too, let's say you are ready to go. Um, the first thing will be your home screen. So as you can see the home screen right now, we are using the outline action item folder. So this is where how things are being shown on the first screen. And as you can see, the first page, like view events, this one, if you click on there, you can edit the screen and it will change here. So let's do DIY apps, right? Coaching training for real estate. All right. You can add buttons. So these buttons, the way you add them, it's really easy. Just click insert and do layouts, and you pick any design you want to add. Right. So as you can see, this one, they used this one. Let's say if you want to use this one, just say insert, and it will show you. Okay. So Control Z to undo that. All right. So once you have your button, when you do an edit, pretty much just show which kind of button style you want. But this is where now the magic comes in, where you can link with anything. So because this is a training check-in, so we already have a plugin for the training check-in. So we'll do training, right? It's here. So the training check-in, and you link it. So once you link it, when you click on training check-in here, it should take you to that training check-in a feature, the plugin. And then people can start doing their training. So you can arrange and add more questions as you want. So it's nice and easy to edit. If you're a tech savvy person, it shouldn't take you a long time. You should be able to do a little bit here and there. If everything works for you and you're able to change it, then you can go ahead and change. If it doesn't work, you can always add more actions here, right? So this action is pretty much whatever you want to pick from your feature list. So the next part I would like to show you is all these tabs are the same. So all features will have the same menus up here. All right. So for your design, you can always change your background. So the background image here. For the layout, if you don't like this layout, you can always change it to another one. So let's say we pick that one. it will change to that. If you want to change to that one, it will change that. Okay, let's keep this one because I do love this one. Looks really nice. All right, and then security. Every screen will have this. So if you want people to be able to require login to access this screen, you can be able to do that. Just check this on, and it will require them to log in before even going to the app, because this is the home screen. And then if you want to use tags, so this is where now the investor portion comes in. So if you have like a listing for investors, they will have, yes, they will log in and see information, but they should have a specific tag as investors to be able to also access that information. Okay, so that way you can be able to block certain areas so that people only see what you want them to see. Tagging, so this is where, let's say, each screen you can do tags, and then those tags helps you with your segmentation. So you can be able to say, okay, how many people visited this particular screen, and then you can be able to know how many people visited. And if they're investors specifically who are looking for information, you can send them specifically the push notification to the people who have be able to view that screen. So that's how powerful this platform is. Purchase, so this is in-app purchases and stuff. We won't go through that. Analytics, so this is you can be able to see how many people have visited the screen. You can see the top users and much more details. But now you have to upgrade to be able to see this information. And if you want to upgrade, you just click on the upgrade button here and able to choose in one of our 3 plans and able to access some of this information depending on your plan. All right. So there's always a catch. You always have to upgrade. So, and when you upgrade, you can use our coupon code, discount code, DIYapps100, and that one gives you $100 off for your first 6 months, and you still enjoy the 21 days of free trial. So you can play around the 21 days, and when you sign up, just use the discount code, and you get $100 off the first 6 months. Okay, so as we go through this, the app components, my features. So these features are all the features are being used on the app. So we call plugins. So the plugins, which are the features, the same thing that are being used on each screen to be able to deliver that kind of quality and be able to grow your app. And the marketplace. So the marketplace is where you'll be able to grab those features. So the marketplace, this is where now if you want to use something, locations, community wall, this is where you grab it and put it on your app. It's not automatically on your app. You have to grab it from here and click on the, once you grab it, you say add. So when you add it, give it a name and it will be on your features. And then once it's in your features that you're using on the app, you have to attach it to the app itself. Okay? Because you have added it, you have taken it to the marketplace, added it to your stuff. Now you need to add it to the app to be able to be used on the app. All right, so side menu. So this is the menu on the side of your app. So this side here. So you can be able to add more features and more things to the app. Definitely you have your main page, your home screen, but your side menu can be also used to add more features that you would like to add. Nav bar. So the nav bar is at the bottom section here. So right now it's turned off, so we're gonna turn it on. And then let's just add one thing. Let's say training videos, and then it will show here. So whenever I click here, it takes me to the training video portion. So that's the nav bar. So we don't need it right now, so we turn it off. And then the intro screens. So let's say you have an app and you like to give them like an intro to the app and what they will be able to see. So intro screens are really helpful. Definitely, this is a premium feature, so you have to upgrade to be able to use it. But it definitely helps your business or the app itself to give it that so that when people, before they go in, just give them a quick message and let them know what the app is all about. All right, so design. When you go to the design, so your branding, so your logo, you can change your app name, your loading screen. So you have your loading screen, your text. So you can always change your text. So it can automatically save. It will show it, right? Um, let's see. Okay. Anyways, for your colors, if you wanna make the app with your brand colors, so this is where you change them, and it will also show you a sample on the side, and that way you can always match your brand colors to the app. Media library, this is where all your images will go. If you have images and things like that, and anything that we use for the app, it will be here. All right, so security. So this is the login screen. So you can always change the login screen. You can do custom registration. So if you have specific fields or data points that you want to collect when people are registering, you can always use this. As usual, this is a premium feature that will require you to upgrade to be able to use it. Terms and conditions, self-explanatory, in-app purchases. So you can use this for your in-app purchases and a credit system. Push notifications. So this is my favorite of an app. I do love push notifications. Send messages to people anywhere, anytime. Um, you can do groups, as I talked about the group notifications. You can do schedules. You can do geofencing, and above all, the analytics. How many people opened it? How many push notifications went out? How many people opened it? And how many people who actually clicked on the action on the push notification? On the group side of things, when you group your notifications, you can use the user tags that I was mentioning before. You can send them specifically those notifications. Users, so here, any user that's registered on your app, all the information will be here. You can be able to see them, be able to see how the history that maybe like the workflow they have been, which screens they have logged into, which tags they have been logging, they have, because when you search each screen with a tag, it will attach it to the user, and that way you can be able to send them personalized messages and information about the app. User tagging, so this is where you can manage your tags. Admin role, so if you have other people who will be administrators on your app, you can add them on that section. User profile language, so if some languaging in the app you want to change, then you can be able to change it from there. Abuse report is all those people who are being reported that are not being nice on the app. All right, so analytics part, so this is where you'll be able to see how many downloads, how many people have downloaded the app, and how many users, how many people have registered on the app. So it can give you a good idea of how popular the app is. And then the advanced section, this is the portion where if you have people when you're ready to publish the app, this is where you can be able to get all the information about publishing your app, do your integrations, app share settings, when you want to market your app, and the publishing information and things like that. All right. So so let's say once you're ready, everything looks nice, you love it. So you can always preview the app. You can always send the app link to your phone. So this will be like a PWA kind of version of your app before you launch it in Apple and Google. And you can be able to send it to anyone. Send anyone the link, let them know how this is what you're working on, how do you like it, how do you love it, or how do you recommend changes. All right. And then, yeah, so once you send that, they can be able to, anytime you can send that. Doesn't matter at which stage you are with the app development. All right. So we did touch about upgrading. And let's say you have different languages. Maybe you are developing the app and you speak different language other than English. You can always change that. But this doesn't change the app language. It just changes this environment language to be able to help you kind of develop the app quicker. All right. So that was just my quick and easy tutorial. I try to get these things under 20 minutes to be able to get you going. Um, Anytime you have a question, you want to learn more, reach out to us at hello at DIYapps.ca. I'm able to get back to you and help you through the process. Other than that, I want to thank you for your time, and I appreciate all that you guys have done listening to me. All right, so thank you, and bye bye.